Hello guys, today we're gonna see the best cloud gaming service for PC. GeForce Now is often considered the best cloud gaming services for PC due to its robust performance, extensive game compatibility and flexibility. Here's a quick review. GeForce Now leverages NVIDIA's powerful servers, allowing gamers to play demanding PC games in high settings. Rather than offering its own library, GeForce Now connects with existing gaming platforms like Steam, Epic Games Store, and Ubisoft Connect. This allows users to stream games they already own without purchasing them again. GeForce Now works on a variety of devices including Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and even Chromebooks. This flexibility makes it accessible across multiple platforms. The free plan offers a great entry point, though it limits session to 1 hour. The priority plan, which is $99 per month, provides extended sessions and priority access to service. And the ultimate plan, which is $19 a month, includes RTX 4080 performance, 4K resolution, and extended play sessions, making it ideal for hardcore games. Cloud gaming eliminates the need for high-end hardware. A stable internet connection is the only requirement to run AAA games on low-end PCs. So GeForce Now frequently updates its supported games list and adds new features, ensuring a fresh and evolving gaming experience. Not all games are supported due to publisher restrictions. It has a strong, consistent internet connection, or you need that to essentially play. So GeForce Now stands out as the best cloud gaming service for PC users who value high performance and flexibility. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, it provides an excellent way to enjoy AAA titles without need to expensive hardware. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.